So guys, I'll be trying to turn on my two-step verification, so follow up and learn with me. So I just clicked and continue. That's my password. So this is the only phone that I've used to log on. This is it. So I just have to click on continue. And this is my phone number. So the problem here is, if you're in Nigeria, if you try using your clicking send, they won't allow you. So let's try it. You see, they will say invalid number, try again. So if you continue doing this, you're going to continue doing it. So what you just have to do is to go straight to use another backup option. So my backup code has been downloaded. So the next step is, they say turn on two-step verification. Do you want to turn it on? That's the question. So you have to go straight and click on turn on. So guys, this is it. Once it gives you that green tick, you are done.